Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find someone on Facebook by a picture. So guys, if you want to find someone on Facebook by picture, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, all you have to do is that simply tap on create post and then select the picture of that person, and after this tap on the picture again whom you want to find on Facebook, and after this you have to simply again tap on the face of that person whom you want to find on Facebook. So guys, here you will see this. Once you tap on this, it will say tap a face to tag, and once you tap on the face you will find the profile of that person in the tag list. So guys, here you can see this. You can easily find that person by tapping on the face or tagging that person on your post. So guys, simply here I am selecting this person, and here you can see the person is now tagged on my Facebook post. So guys, in this way you can also find someone on Facebook by a picture. And you can also do this by another option, that is you have to simply open your Google Photos and then go to collections and then go to your photos and select the photo whom you want to find on the Facebook. Here you can see this, and now you have to simply tap on three dots button and then tap on Google Lens, and then again tap on the face of that person again, and then crop the image or face of that person, and here you will see all of the persons or pictures related to this person. So guys, you can see this, and you can also tap on exact matches from here to see the exact person. So guys, you can see this. Simply tap on exact matches, and here you will see the photo or the details of this person on Google Lens as well. So guys, in this way you can also find someone on Facebook or internet. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.